Welcome to EF Pod English. Brought to you by EF Education First and Englishtown. Learn anytime, anywhere. Pod English Pre-Intermediate 42. Music.
Too loud. Oh, that's not quite there, is it? Maybe.
In this lesson, we will learn about the English we use to discuss music. We're going to talk about the difference between jazz and the blues. And we're going to learn how to use two words we often use when we talk about music: prefer and recommend. Like in these examples. I like jazz, but I prefer the blues. And what music do you recommend?
I bet you're wondering why I'm playing with my socks on.
We're going to watch a movie with two people discussing music.
Do you listen to Chet Baker?
Yes, I do. Do you like jazz?
No, I prefer pop music. But I have to give my dad a gift. He prefers jazz and blues. Is there anything you could recommend for me for Christmas?
Does your dad prefer jazz or blues?
Well, he prefers blues, but he likes jazz very much too.
I know a Billie Holiday's Greatest Hits CD. Or, if you're looking for something more instrumental, I know a great George Benson CD. Would you be interested in me helping you to buy one?
I really would love your help. I know almost nothing about jazz. How much time can you find to help me?
I can go to the record shop with you later today. Would you like me to call you?
Yes, please.
Will we need to stop at a cash machine to get some money?
I have a credit card.
It's because it makes me think of this Britney Spears concert when I lost my shoes. And it didn't matter because she said, that everybody should follow their dreams. So that's why I'm here playing at Joe's Coffee. Everybody give him a hand for open mic night. And I'm just going to apologize beforehand if I offend anybody. Thank you. My name is James.
So, can you remember? What kind of music does Alice's dad like? Let's see.
Does your dad prefer jazz or blues?
Well, he prefers blues, but he likes jazz very much too.
That's right. He likes jazz and blues. Do you know these kinds of music? Jazz is an American style that originated in New Orleans in the 1900s. Blues, or the blues, is another American style. It originated in African American folk music.
So you guys like jazz? Do you like jazz? Because I can't play any jazz. I know. It is open jazz night, probably. What do you guys prefer, the blues or the jazz? Personally, I like the blues, but... yeah, that's not really going to work, is it?
So which music does Alice's dad like more? Jazz or the blues? Alice's dad prefers the blues. To prefer means to like something more than the other things of the same type. If you say, I prefer jazz, it means that you may like many kinds of music, but you like jazz more. Let's look at another useful word from the movie. Recommend. Can you recommend a good jazz artist? I recommend George Benson. To recommend is to say, I think you will like this. Which musicians does Ben recommend for Alice's dad?
I know a Billie Holiday's Greatest Hits CD. Or, if you're looking for something more instrumental, I know a great George Benson CD.
That's right. Ben recommended Billie Holiday and George Benson.
To be perfectly honest with you, I actually prefer the blues. Jimmy plays a mean guitar, but I can't even play a guitar, to be honest with you. I just, it's like Britney Spears says, you just got to get up there and follow your dreams. So that's what I'm doing. And, I think I can sing, but
Read the text. Guess the missing words now. Here's a clue. It means to like something more than other things you like. Let's see.
Does your dad prefer jazz or blues?
Well, he prefers blues, but he likes jazz very much too.
That's right. The verb is prefer. Does your dad prefer jazz or blues? He prefers the blues. Now look at this question from Alice. What is the missing verb? Okay, let's see.
But I have to give my dad a gift. He prefers jazz and blues. Is there anything you could recommend for me for Christmas?
Alice says, is there anything you can recommend?
I don't. Does anybody know how to play a guitar? I could be the vocals. Anybody? I know this is open mic night, and I'm up here in front of the mic with a guitar that I don't know how to play, but nobody knows. So let me just sing. Let me try to sing something for you guys tonight. Thank you. I'm sorry. My name is James.
Well done. Today we've learnt a lot about talking about music. We've learnt about jazz and the blues. We've also talked about the verb prefer. I like jazz, but I prefer the blues. And you've learnt the verb recommend. Why don't you go and talk to your friends? You could ask them, what music do you recommend? What music do you recommend? What music do you prefer? Have fun talking about music.
Brittany said to follow my dreams. Brittany said to follow my dreams. So I got myself a guitar and I came to the coffee shop.